Morning Year 4, it's Friday the 27th of March 2020 and today we will be talking about how to do your reading, your writing, your times tables and story time on this. So today, as part of your Mayflower 7 steps, we would like you to have a go at reading one of the books from Book Club, have a go at completing one of the reading challenges, then have a go at writing an instruction sheet or a book for something that you'd like to do. Have a go at completing a page of your times tables practice booklet. Have a go at your MET page. Mr. Loss will kindly be posting a wonderful video showing you what to do. And finally, I will be reading chapter 5 of Varjakpur at 4 o'clock. You can listen to this on Twitter. And if you need to catch up, if you can't remember the story, it's fine. You can listen to chapters 1 to 4 at the end of this PowerPoint. So yesterday we read 123 books again as a school using Book Club, which is really good. But I have the number 200 in my head and I'm wondering if we can read 200 books. So Year 4, we need to get you reading to help us. We need your help to help us reach the target. Now on to the reading challenges. Have you had a look at the challenges? Take your pick as to which ones you would like to do today. You don't have to do the same ones as me. It's your choice. Yesterday I did challenge 4. Mr. Loss did challenge 3 and 4. And today I'm going to do challenge number 5. But what about you? Which one will you do? Today I'm going to do, can I read a book that is about my favourite thing to do? Now I know that you know me well. So reading challenge 5, one of my favourite things to do is horse riding. So I'm going to read a book about ponies. So I've chosen a Book Club book. It is quite simple, but you'll see why I've chosen it in a minute. So why don't you read along with me? This book is called My Pony Book. On the contents page, My Pony on page 2, Looking After My Pony on page 6, I Like to Ride on page 12 and Things to Do for Flash on page 16. And on the left-hand side, you can see there's all kinds of hints and tips about things that I could like to do before I start to read the book. So it says, My pony, Flash is my pony. He is a good pet. It is fun to... A pony is a little horse. Look at the parts of a pony. And you see the bug, remember I could click on the bug, it would give me an activity to do. Looking after my pony, I like to look after Flash. I brush Flash with this. I clean his feet with a hoof pick. Horseshoe, hoof, a pony's foot is called a hoof, that's right, and a hoof pick. Look, this is Flash's field. I get Flash some food. Oh, that's called chaff, that's a new word. Hay, water. I get Flash some water too. And there's another bug that you can click on. It will give you an activity. I like to ride. I like to ride Flash. I put on a hard hat. Why do you think I need to wear a hard hat? We had fun. Flash did well. We got a ribbon. Why did Flash get a ribbon, do you want? Things to do for Flash. Brush Flash and clean his feet. Ride Flash. Get Flash food and water, and finally, really important, hug Flash. And there's a bug there for me to do. And then on the other side, look, there's some challenges. How many horseshoes can you spot? And an activity that I could make. So this is your challenge. Now that book, I know, was an easy book to read. Far too easy for you in Year 4, but I've chosen it because it had clear instructions in short sentences. It had very clear illustrations and it had exceptionally clear, simple diagrams which were labelled. It's really important. Now it's your turn. Think of something that you like to do and see if you can make a simple instruction book or even an instruction sheet for a child who is younger than you. You could do how to ride a scooter, how to ride a skateboard, how to ballet dance, how to sing, how to write poems, how to play cricket. It's up to you. The list could go on forever. Think about your dual coding. Remember, when you dual code, it makes it exceptionally clear. That would be great, wouldn't it, to use what we've done at school? Okay, moving on. So you've done your reading, you've done your writing. Now let's break it up a little bit and let's have some timetable practice. So we need to keep playing TT Rockstars. We need to move up the league table, year 4. I played on it today about 2 or 3 times and not many of you had been playing, so I need you to get going now. So in your pack, you have some sheets that look like this. Follow the arrow to the right. I want you to have a go at completing at least one of these sheets today. And here, I've been very kind and given you a multiplication square. If you need it, then please use it, okay? Use it until you feel confident enough that you don't need to use it anymore. Remember, practice, practice, practice. Okay, and lastly, story time. So every day at 4 o'clock on Twitter, I'm reading Varjat Kaur to you. It's called Tea Time Story Time. It's normally about 4 o'clock. So today it's going to be chapter 5. So I hope at 4 o'clock you can sit down and enjoy this. And here you can find chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4.